Hey y'all, it's your girl Christina G back with another tutorial today. I wanted to do a spring look for you guys. Since time went forward last week, I wanted to move forward and go ahead and do a spring look for you guys because I haven't did one. I've been really kind of doing darker looks. My hair is burgundy, so I've just been kind of make it work with the hair, but I have wigs. If you want to know how to get this spring look, make sure y'all continue to watch. And of course, I'm going to be using this James Charles palette. It has all the colors in it that you would ever need for any look, literally any look. I'm gonna use this blue, it's that lovely pink, yellow. Let's do yellow. Hello, yellow. The inner corner. We're gonna start with that blue right there. So this week I have been gone. I've did over, I don't know, 60, 70 makeup videos, and I do the videos every day. And honestly, I ran out of ideas. It was just kind of like, I don't even know what to do next at this point because I feel like I've done a lot. This spring break week, I went to Dallas and seen my nephews. I love my nephews, Andre and Alton. Woo, school, shout out to them. Next, we're gonna dip into this pink. I'm so excited to be back. I just love doing my makeup. Honestly, these guys are not worth my time. I would talk to y'all about that, but I just feel like we not here as an audience yet. We not there yet. That blue and that pink is hitting. It's hitting just right. We finna go ahead and cut the crease. So now we're gonna do a yellow in the middle. And let me tell y'all something about yellow. Wait, let me get the right brush first before I start talking shit. Yellows, you really have to pat them on, especially if you don't have a white base or a white primer. Yellow is such a bright color that a lot of times it doesn't appear really pigmented, so you have to keep putting it on and keep putting it on and keep putting it on until it's really pigmented. So we might have to do this about 3 or 4 times. Yellow can be a really hard color to get onto your face as well as maintain throughout the day because it can just easily be wiped off. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and line that crease with some glitter. Here we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my liner and lippity line it on up because this is how I'm feeling. No, because this yellow got onto my eyelashes and I wear fake eyelashes, I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on because if I don't put mascara on and just put my fake eyelashes on, you're gonna be able to see that yellow on my real eyelashes. Hey y'all, let me put my lashes on. Y'all already know my fave, the ones by Rachel. Let me go ahead and put them on real quick. Okay y'all, back with the lashes on, Also, I put some purple up under here, up under my eye. It's that purple in the James Charles palette with the blue hues in it. And I thought it would match really well because I do have that blue right there. So check that out. Okay, so since we're doing a springtime look, I want my face to look really dewy, really glowing and not too matte. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Farsali, put a few drops on there just to get some moisture in my face. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use my primer, the Born to Glow. Which foundation am I gonna use today? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead with my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. I do it like this because I don't like to waste product because this ish is expensive. It's like directly on my face, not on any brushes or a beauty blender. And then I go ahead and take a foundation brush and blend it in after I've already put it on my face. I'm gonna use the Fenty concealer. I am so in love with this concealer. This is purchase of 2019. Wait, what month is it? March. Yep, best purchase of the year. I'm gonna spray some of this Morphe setting spray onto this wedge just to get it a little hydrated. I know some people like to dip theirs in water. It's the same concept. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty setting powder in the color Cashew. So this setting powder, I feel like I could go without it. I feel like I still like the Maybelline setting powder. When I do my daily makeup, I go back and forth between either the Maybelline or the Fenty Beauty because I still like the Maybelline. I don't feel like it made much of a difference as far as that concealer though. I'm not using the LA Girl anymore. I just straight up use the Fenty because I'm just so in love with it. I'm gonna use this brown in this Juvia Zulu palette. Y'all already know to go ahead and contour my face. The thing is with contouring and me, sometimes I use this LA Girl concealer to contour. And that's if I want a really deep, hard contour. You know, I'm really trying to look like a plastic Barbie doll. I like to use brown shadow or just a brown powder to contour normally because when I use the brown powder, it's not such a harsh contour. Now it's time for the lipstick. I love this Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipsticks. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. I use it a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and just use this and put a gloss on top. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put on this Smashbox Gloss Angeles. What color this is? Actress Guild. So this is what I don't like about the Fenty setting powder. When I wipe it off, you can tell that I had setting powder on right there. Like you can tell that I had setting powder on right there and none right here, you know? And I don't like that at all. So should I use the Fenty Beauty Shimmer Stick or should I use the Jouer Highlight? Which one? So this Jouer Highlight, my mom got it for me. I really love it. She's gonna be pissed the F off when she heard that I dropped it. So this is the Jouer Highlight. It's like a natural highlight. It's really nice. I really like it. And it's super buildable. Okay, y'all, okay. Super spring. Now let me go put my wig on and change and I'm gonna be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back, fully dressed, wig on, what you wanna do? So, yeah, this is gonna be spring look number 1. I will be doing more spring looks. Also, I am coming back on my Instagram. Make sure you guys looking out for that at It's Me Christina G. I do post daily posts. I might be posting like every other day because I just don't want to get too drained out and not have any new creative content. I want to stay with the creative content. I don't want to get boring and be doing natural looks all the time because that just ain't me. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and comment below and tell me what you guys think of today's look. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. If y'all have any suggestions. I did the spring look today because one of my followers named Anna, shout out to Anna, she was like, can you do a spring look? And I was like, sure, yeah, whatever. So I got you, Anna. This turned out bomb. This turned out bomb, y'all. Like, I don't know how y'all are feeling about it, but I'm really loving it. So yeah. All the information, all the products and information will be listed down below in the description box. All right, bye y'all. Bye. This was fun. Bye.